Today, we're diving into the BitFenix Dawn TG EATX ATX ARGB PC gaming case, a powerhouse designed to elevate your gaming experience. Crafted with 3 sides of ultra-clear tempered glass, this case doesn't just showcase your components, it elevates them to the next level. But it's not just about looks, it's about performance too. First off, let's talk compatibility. This case is a dream for gamers, with support for EATX and ATX motherboards, ensuring you have plenty of space for your components to breathe. And speaking of space, with support for up to 360mm, 280mm, 240mm AIO cooling, you can keep even the most demanding systems running cool under pressure. But what really sets the BitFenix Dawn apart is its attention to detail. The inclusion of car window security films on the tempered glass adds not just durability, but a touch of automotive class to your rig. And with RGB illumination that syncs seamlessly with popular motherboard software like ASUS Aura Sync, MSI Mystic Light, Gigabyte RGB Fusion 2.0, and more, you can customize your lighting to match your style. Let's not forget about convenience. The built-in ARGB controller and USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C port make connectivity a breeze, while the transformable PCIe module allows for vertical GPU support, giving your build that extra edge. Plus, with easy clean removable dust filters and cable management space behind the motherboard tray, keeping your rig tidy has never been simpler. In summary, the BitFenix Dawn TG EATX ATX ARGB PC gaming case is not just a case, it's a statement. With its combination of style, performance, and convenience, it's a must-have for any gamer looking to take their rig to the next level. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.